Welcome, it's Anson DIY Doll, and today
I'm going to be building bikes for charity with my work. So I'm going to have you follow along, and we're going to build this bike for a well-deserving family. Now, since Son's younger and is growing, like all children do, I've had my fair share of building bikes over the years as he's grown out of one size into the next. The good news is bikes nowadays come half assembled, so the harder components like the sprockets, the chains, all that are already pre-built. So essentially all you're putting on are the handlebars, aligning the fork, adding the wheels, and any accessories. You gotta be careful to make sure everything's tightened down appropriately. They do include tools, and unfortunately at this event, the included tools is what we had to use. I didn't have access to my toolkits. But it went together very straightforward, and we were very happy with the results, which you can see here. Once completed, we were able to meet our lucky child that gets this bike, and we were so overjoyed at how happy and enthusiastic he was. He immediately jumped in, started adding his own touches by adding stickers and accessories to it to make the bike really his own. He was also fortunate enough to get a helmet and some additional safety tools and a backpack for it, so we were very happy. If you enjoyed this build or like DIY videos, be sure to check out this video right here. Otherwise, you can check out this playlist, but be sure to check out our other channels as well, Dad and Son Do It All and the whole Dad and Son family.
thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Have a great day.